And we are back with the AT-6, the stunning Calico Mountains in the distance. We're back at Stringham Field in Barstow, California, and we're going to do some sport flying. So we have the, like I said, the AT-6. It's a beautiful plane, I'm telling you. Left, right, up, down, left, right. Okay. It's a gorgeous plane, and we're just having some fun with it. I'm on my I guess this is my third battery today. I don't know. Anyways, yeah. So here we go. We're just gonna do some sport flying. We're gonna bring in half flaps for takeoff. We have a gentle wind coming from essentially the west. We're gonna hold some up elevator. That's what you do. We're gonna hold some up elevator. You're gonna throttle up, let her fly the tail. All right, gears up, flaps up, timer started. That was a nice wheel gear takeoff. Okay, as a scale takeoff, scale-ish anyways. Okay, so there's been a lot of folks, you know, that have been really sitting on the fence with regards to this plane. I personally was myself, because I thought that the price was a little bit off-putting, personally, and the 269 was seemed like it was a lot for this aircraft. But I'll tell you, I have found out that it really isn't. It's really pretty much priced just right, in my opinion, and everyone's different. But I'll also say this: that the supplied power system is pretty robust, and it provides for some really spirited sport scale aerobatics. It really does. It's actually surprising. It's a 15 size motor. There's a 40 amp ESC on board, spinning a 12/8 prop. I believe it's an 8 pitch. It's a pretty decent pitch because she's got some pretty good speed. So out of a 3-cell, and the thrust comes from the 12. Let's do a nice little scale aileron roll. Look at that. Look at that. I mean, isn't that nuts? Now, hey, let's do a real quick clinic on that. Yeah. So, aileron rolls, or the classic fighter victory roll, is executed in a certain way. Okay, it's not really linear. You pitch the nose up, you spin the aircraft over slowly, and she'll finish with a nose down attitude. Okay, so that is your textbook fighter roll. It really is. You start with the nose up. With regards to the horizon, you pitch the nose up. You begin to roll the aircraft. As the aircraft rolls over the inverted, she's essentially parallel with the horizon. We'll show you that again here. From the side, pitch the nose up and let her roll over. No elevator input. As she's wings level, now she's going down. Okay, I did not put elevator input during that roll, and she rolled like a Warbird. Okay, now I'm going to show you one where I'm going to give a little bit of elevator input over the top. I'm not going to be so aggressive with the nose pitch. Okay, so there's some elevator. Okay, notice how she did not lose altitude. Notice how she did not lose altitude. Very important. Okay, that was because as she rolled through the inverted, whoa, light pole. I gave a little bit of elevator pressure. In this case, it's down elevator pressure when you're conducting these rolls. Okay, we're gonna do a roll or a loop with the twist. Here's your twist way at the very top, throttling down the down line. And there you go. All right. Hey, we're just having some fun. We're not flying for the scale masters, but we are kind of putting on a little bit of a Warbird clinic, okay? And that's what I normally will do. So let's bring the gear down. Throttle's coming down right about half. We're down to half flaps right now. As we're on the downwind, we're turning on base. I've got the throttle back up to around 50-60%. Okay? As I turn on final, I'm going full flap now, and we're still maintaining 50%. And now I have to get over this threshold here. So we're over my fence threshold. Now we bring the throttle off. We bring the throttle back on to arrest the sink, and there we go. Okay. A little bit of a bumpy grass field out here I'm working. It's a little rough. They use it for football, but hey, you get the idea. We're going to clean the flaps up as we taxi. You always clean the flaps up when you taxi a tail dragger, because what happens is the flaps are generating lift because of the prop wash, and they actually want to lift the tail. So as you see, as I'm holding up elevator and being neutral. As I'm holding up elevator, if I have the flaps and they're trying to kick that tail up, that's kind of counterproductive, right? So clean the flaps up when you're taxiing, you're going to be good to go. Okay? All right, let's go ahead and get her taxied on into the pits, and we'll see where we're at for battery usage. I'm going to take a wild hunch and say that we're down to 50%, or correction, 30%. I'm going to say we're down to 30%. That's where this plane's been consistently ending flights during my sport scale flying. So let's use the aircraft. Let's shield that from the sun. Let's go ahead and unplug the battery so that I'm not sitting here with all of my possessions at a 12-inch propeller area. Oh, okay. Well, we're down to 10%. We're down to 10%. Yikes. Okay, I got a little happy with that one. Now it's showing 9%. Okay. Hey, we went down a little bit. So I don't know what that explosion was, but oh, might have been a sonic boom. In fact, I think it probably was. Okay. Okay, battery's a bit warm, but not bad. Okay, we're at 9%. Ooh, 367. Okay, so we're right. We're kind of right there. All right. Okay, we ran her a little. We got a little happy with that one. But okay, then okay, it is a, you're gonna laugh. You are gonna laugh. It is a ZOP power lithium polymer RC battery. It's a 2200 30C, and this thing might have cost me a whopping $10. Got it.